My point is, this is what happens when you let the federal government into this process. When you keep the private sector out of it, when you let the government involved, why is the government more qualified to do food than people who are in their business? The really angering thing here is the presumption or the assumption by government and by these wide-eyed, idealistic college grads that anything in the private sector is by definition corrupt. The people in the private sector are by definition sharks, and they are corrupt. And they're out every one of them to cheat you. And yet on the other end of the scale, there is the federal government, clean and pure as the wind-driven snow. And they're going to do that by conducting a war
Off me.
They have as their express purpose to sell garbage so that their customers get paid.
You done? All done?